Okay guys, so tonight is something that I plan on the meal plan every time I meal plan. It is something simple like roasted vegetables. We're doing asparagus, some grilled chicken, and then the kids will have some Hawaiian rolls. We are gonna do pesto on the chicken once it's grilled. So my husband will put that on the grill it until it's done, and then add the Costco pesto to the outside. And then once the asparagus is done, then we will add a little shaved Parmesan on top of that. So this is a staple meal: meat, vegetables, and carbs for the kids. We have this easy meal definitely once every 2 weeks, and that is what we are having tonight. Okay, so for tonight's dinner, we are having French dip sandwiches. This is something I haven't made in the longest time. When I was making my menu plan, I was racking my brain to try to think of some things that we hadn't had in a while. So here in the fridge, I just have provolone cheese and then the roast beef, which I will slice into small shavings. And then over here, for just some added veggies, I have my pan ready to go with olive oil. I will start with sauteing these onions and green peppers. And then I like this seasoning, if it would focus. There we go. The organic no salt seasoning from Costco. It's a good seasoning that doesn't add salt. So I will saute that first, and then I will just slice up the roast beef pretty thin, and then just put it in the pan to heat with those peppers. Then I got these rolls from Sam's Club, and I will slice them open and add the meat on top of the provolone so it melts. And then for dipping, the kids and my husband can either use this barbecue sauce, or I will make like au jus sauce in there with the little bit that comes from here, just like a little beef broth kind of sauce to dip the sandwich in. And then on the side, we just have a mixed green salad. And you might be laughing because anytime my mixed greens get really low, instead of dirtying like a salad bowl, I'll just put everything in here. So I have carrots, red onions, cucumbers, tomatoes, spinach, mixed greens, and romaine. So pretty good salad there, and we'll serve that on the side. The kids will have theirs sandwich style. Obviously, I will have mine without the roll just for personal preference, with the veggies and everything on it. And that should be a quick and easy dinner with lots of green veggies in there and some good healthy protein, and definitely something the kids will enjoy eating. All right, you guys, so tonight we are obviously having taco bowls. It is chicken from the crock pot. I do it with seasonings, and I actually batch cook, so I do like a lot of chicken and then save for another night. Some romaine, black beans, the roasted corn from Trader Joe's in the frozen section. The chicken is under there, a little bit of cheese, salsa, and a couple of tortilla chips. The kids don't care for avocado, but Jake and I have half of an avocado with ours. So here I've got my assembly line of chicken, taco, burrito bowls, and that is what we are having for dinner tonight. Another crowd pleaser. The kids love this. Okay, you guys, so today for dinner we are having something super duper easy. Anytime I meal plan, I try to include at least 2 meals that take me less than 30 minutes to put together. So you guys saw yesterday that I made the chicken in the crock pot. We had chicken taco bowls. I batch cooked the chicken, and before I seasoned it for the taco bowls, I made a separate bowl with just the other portion of the chicken to make like a quick pot pie. So I left this one without the crust because this will be the one that I will have, and probably my husband too. And then this one will be the one for the kids. But this is what is inside here. So it's like a really easy twist on a homemade pot pie. This is just a fast meal thrown together. So I sprayed the pan with the coconut oil. Then I put in the cooked chicken. So the chicken's already cooked. I added in some diced yellow onions, mixed it with the chicken. Then I added about 1.5 cans of this healthier cream of mushroom condensed soup. And then I just sprinkled some black pepper on top of that. And then I microwave to get rid of the excess water, the mixed veggies, just a frozen mixed veggie mix, and then I put the veggies on top, and then I added broccoli for just some added veggie. I did the same thing in this one, except for at the bottom I rolled out Trader Joe's crescent rolls. You can see that they're like the triangle ones, but I just made it kind of across, like rectangular, instead of separating them. Then I put all of this inside, and then I took another roll and rolled it on top and tried to like pinch it down along the sides there. And so yeah, theirs has crust and ours does not. So I'm going to bake these in the oven 350 for about 20-25 minutes. I'll probably cover this one with foil, just so that the broccoli doesn't get too roasted being there on the top. And then this will be like an easy pot pie, and then this is just like basically the inside of a pot pie without the crust. So that's what we're having for dinner tonight. Super duper easy. Accidentally chopped too much broccoli, but I'll save this for another thing. Put that away. But yeah, the kids love this. It's super quick and easy to throw together, and it has a lot of nutrition with the vegetables and the chicken. And then you can easily adapt it if you have certain things you're wanting to, you know, have or not have. So just an easy dinner to share with you guys. So tonight for dinner we are having some angel hair pasta with turkey marinara sauce, sauteed zucchini, and Parmesan on top. I have lots more zucchini, less noodles, and the kids have more noodles and less zucchini, but just something super quick and easy. I just sauteed the zucchini in olive oil, pepper, and garlic, and I made the I browned the ground turkey. We use 3 pounds to feed everyone, and then I added the marinara sauce and just let it simmer, and then we just topped it with the real Parmesan cheese right here. So that is what we are having. Tonight's dinner is going to be turkey burger mini sliders with barbecue sauce and just a mixed green salad. So I made the salad and the dressing, and the kids like to add croutons onto theirs. This is ground turkey with spinach and onion, white onion. I just browned it first. Then once it was all browned, I added pepper jack over the top of it, and then I spooned it onto the Hawaiian rolls. These are really small rolls for doing sliders. I think some different kind of rolls would probably be better, but we'd had these, so I wanted to use them. So before I bake them at 350 for just maybe like 5 minutes, I'm going to put barbecue sauce on each one and close it up, and then put it into the oven for about 5 minutes, and then just bake them, maybe add a little garlic powder to the top. So we're gonna do the mini turkey sliders with the green salad for tonight's dinner. So tonight we are having chicken, barbecue chicken ranch wraps. Pretty easy, and some coleslaw. I wanted to show you guys the wraps open before I wrapped them up so the coleslaw wouldn't fit on the plate, but I just made the coleslaw myself. I don't like a very mayo heavy coleslaw, so it's just really vinegar, pepper, a little bit of mayo, and yeah, so we'll have coleslaw on the side. But what is on these wraps is grilled barbecue chicken, romaine lettuce, there are carrots underneath there, and tomatoes, and then I drizzle a little bit of the Bolt House ranch on top of that. So all the ingredients are over here. So this is the ranch, the tomatoes, the lettuce. These are the wraps from Sam's Club. They're really good for you. And then that was the chicken that we pulled from. So my husband grilled that earlier, and then we just kind of set it aside because tonight we all had activities, and so we're just now getting home to have dinner. And so I'm going to roll these up, cut them in half, and then add the coleslaw to the plate. And then that will be our dinner this evening. So I hope you guys enjoyed seeing what we have been having for dinner. I asked on Instagram if you guys wanted the video with 7 meals or more, and there were slightly more of you who requested about a week's worth of dinners. So I wanted to share that with you. Please give me a thumbs up if you enjoyed this video. Let me know if you have any other questions. And please, if you ever have a video request, post it down in the comments below so I can see that and come back to it for reference. So a lot of you guys requested more food content and grocery hauls, so stay tuned. More of that will be coming. I've been very disciplined with my grocery budget lately, and I'm excited to kind of share that with you guys here soon. So thank you so much. I hope you got some dinner inspiration. Easy, healthy, and quick is always the name of the game for me, and I will see you guys in my next video really soon. Bye guys.